Hello everybody and a very warm welcome to my latest unboxing video. I got mail out of the UK. I'm pretty excited about it. It's from Bandcamp and can hardly wait to open it up with you guys. So what happens now, for a few months now actually, is when German Post is not reaching you at home, they charge you €6 for storaging the package that you pick it up the next day. You have to drive into the city, you have to go to the post, you have to stand in a line, waiting sometimes for 30 minutes, picking up your package and driving home again, and they still charge you €6 for that. And they're also increasing other postal pricing, and that's really... if you're getting a lot of records and all of that, it's getting quite expensive, and you really have to, I'm questioning, do I need to buy this record now with all the extra charges that comes with it? So it's getting really quite expensive. But anyway, it's from Bandcamp. Bandcamp, I have a 50-50 experience concerning the products they sent me in the past. I had the John Morales Tina Marie remixes. They were great vinyl quality, no wraps, everything fine. And then a few weeks back, I got this John Morales edit box set, and each and every record in the set is wrapped. It's not playable actually, and the labels on these records also wrong. It says you have Phyllis Hyman on the A side, and you're actually playing the B side with some other artists. So I wasn't so happy with that. And also they forgot my order and everything, but I have to say that customer support at Bandcamp is outstanding. I had no bad experience with them so far. But anyway, let's open this great package. So and also what I have to say is that the package is not beat up as some other packages I'm getting from time to time, where you think that the record hardly survived. But yeah, let's see. I hope it's not too loud for you guys. It's the John Morales Teddy Pendergrass remix album I ordered a few weeks back, and I must say I can hardly wait to play that, because he did a remix of one of my favorite songs, and that's Come and Go With Me. He made a very interesting remix out of that. But anyway, I can hardly wait to see it. So... to hear it, sorry. So here, that's the front. A great picture of Teddy Pendergrass. And that's the back, and it also has a kind of hyper sticker in it, which says certified, celebrating a quarter century of real music for real people. BBEmusic.com. Okay. Let's see. Oh, that's really very much put together, really squeezed in. Teddy Pendergrass had an outstanding voice and very interesting kind of career when he started with Harry Melvin and the Blue Notes in the 70s. I had a tremendous amount of hits, and with Philadelphia International, some everlasting songs. So, all right. The records, now I see why there was so squashed, because the records, which are quite heavy, are not put in here. They are put in the middle of it, maybe not to destroy the you know what I mean, the corners of the record. Yeah, that's the inside. The cardboard is not high quality. That's normal paper, not a Staunton jacket or anything you might think, but I didn't expect that for that kind of release. Yeah, you get the songs that are on the record with the composers, and the force of nature in this collection and heartfelt exploration of 1970s Philadelphia soul at its apex, we revisit the quantum leap of rhythm and blues that was first noticed and embraced by us in the clubs. A full 5 decades later, re-listening to the classic singers and songs, it's to take account of the genius, grown on inspiration. And then you have a whole text, mastering and lacquer cards by Sean Joseph at Optimum Mastering. That's Optimum is pretty well known. So yeah. Once again, if you see more of my videos, you know how much I hate paper sleeves. And these are in paper sleeves. That's what I do with paper sleeve records, because if I put them out, I'll make scratches on it. So I'm tearing this apart. I'm not one of these people. I see many record collectors who look like a record and say, oh no, it's wrapped. I can't see that. But there's some dirt on it. I don't know if you can see that. There's dirt from the paper on it. Nothing really serious. No scratches so far. There's something. Some kind of glitter. Some kind of gold glitter is up here. I don't think that you guys can see that. But yeah, let's see the other side of it. Oh, looks good. Looks good. Well, yeah. I ripped the other one. I'll clean that. Oh, okay. So, well, but anyway, it looks good so far. I cleaned this set up and give it a listen, and I hope it's not wrapped. Really, I don't have the ability to see that. Like I said, there are so many collectors who look at the record and say, oh, it's wrapped, and I don't have that. But yeah, I'll let you guys know. Anyway, if you have that record set as well, if you ordered it, leave a comment and say what your opinion is about it. I'll give it a try and let you guys know. And in the meantime, have a great week. We see each other on Wednesday with a new episode of Hidden Jewels of Soul and Disco. I can hardly wait for that episode. Will be an interesting pick this week. And otherwise, stay safe, stay healthy, have a good time, listen to good music, and bye.